Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Rob. Welcome to the channel MotoLabDirtBikes.com. What we're going to do is talk to you about Moto Lab lowering kits today and how they're going to provide some of the best value based on our knowledge base. So getting you the proper spring rates and all the complete components. We do this full time in-house every day. This is literally where the experts at. And how that really sending your suspension in is going to be some of the best value because if you choose a kit in itself, of course, you have your local professional help you install it. If you're way out of the weight range of the original intended design, even though you have the stiffer spring rates, that to support the weight of the rider and the weight of the bike, the original valving in there may only been set up for a 165 to 187 pound rider. Check that out in your owner's manual, and they're going to recite the exact same thing there. So that's where we come in, and the best value is that you send your suspension components in or come to the shop, schedule an appointment here, and then we have some upgrade options, and you'll really be able to benefit because we're able to customize the internals to match the ride quality or characteristics that you're after. Beginner, expert, smaller, larger. Some people travel very, very light. Other people carry much greater gear. So fitment, check it out on the website here. If you don't see your maker model on there, give us a call or an email. We'll be able to tell you yay or nay and give you a complete breakdown of what that's going to cost. So some of the best value, like I said, comes from knowledge base here. It's going to be a complete kit, custom shock spring, fork springs, and this is just an example here with some of the lower end components here. Kickstands, you can modify your own. There's a link below. Swift kicker or Warp 9 or some other aftermarket options for those is available. So, well, that's about it. We're looking forward to working with you, earning your trust in your business, and we answer the phones and emails. So give us a call and look forward to hearing from you. Hit the start now button on MotoLabDirtBikes.com for your free quote today. So thanks for your time. I hope everyone's doing good out there.